Hey gang, it's just me, Leslie Singh, aka Ghetto Mama, and here's my beautiful daughter, AJ.
And Mr. Marcus in the back.
And Mark is in the back. So, we haven't did a mukbang in a few days. I gave my honey access to my videos, so now I'm too embarrassed and I don't know. But so he's gonna look at the mukbangs. Oh, turkey neck, come on. That's what happens when you lose weight. So we went to McDonald's today because I'm a cheapskate. I got 2 sandwiches, little hamburgers and fries. What did y'all get?
I got 3 the sausage biscuits.
We'll show it to him.
Which they look like.
Oh, she's putting different stuff on hers.
They look like this. So, but I just divide mine up and I put strawberry jelly on the biscuit and then mustard on this.
That sounds different. And I'm putting ketchup on my fries. I don't have no room to dip it. Our McDonald's is all tore up. Who else sucks the ketchup out of the ketchup packs? Yum. Yeah, our McDonald's is kind of tore up. They're making it all fancy, kiosky. I know this isn't diet food. And the beverage of the day is Diet Coke. I wonder if it still says I'm loving it. Nope. These cups used to say I'm loving it. So, this is my sandwich. I ordered extra onions on it because I like onions. So let's see what a McDouble looks like today from McDonald's. Kinda, I don't know. Yeah, they put extra onions on it. So let's see what this bad boy tastes like. Kind of dry though. I think I need some ketchup on it. I'll be doing good if I don't dump my food trying to show you guys.
Oh. Yeah.
So, because I'm eating this naughty food, I probably won't eat later today. If I do, it'll be vegetables. So, what y'all been doing? So, how's October treating you? Happy birthday, October people.
Anyone planning to go to like a haunted house theme or have a Halloween party?
We're going to have a Halloween party.
Me and Mark was actually thinking about going to down at Reno Aces. They have a slaughterhouse and stuff. So I think about going down there for walk through the haunted houses because I miss Frightmare.
Well, tell them what that is, because people like that are overseas that are looking at our video, or people in different areas, they don't know what these things are.
Slaughterhouse is basically at the Reno, the baseball field. They put on a haunted house, which is a scary house that people walk through and try to get scared.
Mark used to be a character at one of those events one time.
Both of them.
We used to have a thing called Frightmare here.
That was up there.
And it was one of the best. I love Frightmare. I miss it. I wish they'd bring it back, but because like they had a clown scary house. The jail was my favorite. Was like you walk through a jail of jail that's built, and people are out scaring you through the bars and stuff. And
Hey, they should be setting that stuff up soon.
I
haven't seen any ads for it.
Slaughterhouse should be open next soon. Like, next couple days.
Slaughterhouse opens up the 15th, I think.
Should get on your phone and Google it. Well, yesterday was October 1st, and that's when all my money comes in, my retirement money and stuff. So I paid bills yesterday. So much drama paying bills, I swear. I get all screwed up every time I pay bills every month.
The 13th.
Oh, the 13th it comes on? Where's it going to be at?
No, sorry. The 5th through the 31st. And it's the Reno Aces. But it's 250 Evans Avenue.
So Reno Aces is our ballpark here. And Reno Aces is our ball team, but you sports people already know probably about Reno Aces. I am not a sports person. So if I say something negative about sports, don't get pissed off, because I'm just not a sports people. I know I saw the footballs on TV.
Yep.
Any of your teams win?
My team has, the Miami Dolphins, have more wins than Mark's team, which has the Dallas Cowboys.
Hey, they want to win.
Yeah. How many to what? So how many does the Dolphins have compared to the Cowboys?
Yeah.
I only like the stupid bowl. You know why I like the stupid bowl or Super Bowl? Because it's just a day everybody can get together and hang out and party. I like social stuff.
I like betting on the Super Bowl.
Did you win last time?
Yes, last time I won.
How much did you win?
I put $5 down and I got like 7.
Yeah.
I don't do the whole big thing. I only do I don't do the point spread. I don't understand it.
I don't know how to do that stuff either.
So I just do the basic bet. Which is, it makes it more fun. It makes it interesting.
Well, according to McDonald's, they have a new double quarter pounder that's supposed to be juicier and better.
We got it.
Hmm?
We got it.
I don't remember eating a quarter pounder. Did I?
Yeah. Let's go pick a Mark.
Oh, yeah. Well, I didn't find it any better because I don't remember it.
It was juicier, but more like it felt more oily.
Oh, yeah. I remember.
Juicy.
Must have ketchup.
They didn't have a lot of it.
I know. Well, something fell out of the bag. I don't know where it went, though. Where'd it go? Shit. Oh, well.
Over here.
Yay, one more ketchup. So, do I waste it on the french fries or I put it on my other sandwich? I say sandwich. I wasn't going to have any outside food today because I'm really so broke and I have to figure out my money again. I hate living on a small budget. You know, I think it would be fun not to worry about money one time and just go and get what you need instead of like, you know, have to all the time like, oh,
One bite in.
you know, budget everything out. You got so much money for this and so much money for that. So, because it's getting colder, thank God. Well, thank God, yes and no, because along comes it. Look at this little stupid pickle. What kind of pickle is that? Anyway, so for me, I have to figure out how much money I'm going to have to spend on food and supplies. I have to have supplies for the house. That's a must. Because if we don't have our, like, all of our soaps to do laundry and
Soaps to wash our body.
wash our body and stuff like that, and dishes, and then I have pet food. Those are the must-haves. Food, that's must-have too. But I don't have to worry about food for Duty Bug. Because baby's mama, she can buy food for them. But the food for the rest of us, I have to worry about. So I guess this month is going to be like a lot of stews, pots of beans.
My favorite that she makes is the cheddar broccoli soup.
Oh, that's a good idea. I should put that on the list. That's cheap to make.
And I know me and my little brother, we both love that. That's one of our favorite soups. And then my other one that only mom can make it, that I actually like, is chili.
I don't like chili though. I don't know.
Mustard.
I thought that was a honey mustard pack. Are you done eating all your food?
No, I still have one left, but I'm full.
Somebody's car horn's beeping. So what do you guys do to save money? Give me some tips. I'm so broke, eating at McDonald's is like a luxury. Because I don't have to cook it. I don't have to clean up after it.
So here's a random question on a McDonald's topic. McDonald's has a lot of menu that's constantly changing. What is a menu item that is your favorite on the menu they have now, What is your favorite promotional item that comes out at a certain time of year? And what is your favorite item that is no longer on the menu?
I don't know. I think my favorite promotional item is the 2 for $5 Big Macs. That's a good savings right there.
Nothing more like promotional. I mean, like the holiday pie, the green milkshakes,
Oh, I love the green milkshakes, the mint milkshakes.
the shamrock shake. Mine would be the McRib. They need to bring it back.
Well, all those sausage things is McRibs without the barbecue sauce. Just ask them for barbecue sauce and get you a McRib.
Not the same.
I don't know. Could it be?
That and the holiday pie. Oh my god. My favorite item that is no longer on the menu was the Big and Tasty.
God, I'm spitting food out. That's gross. Are you gonna eat your pie?
Never know. Oh, me and Judy are gonna eat it later.
I'm afraid if I take my pie in the house, then somebody else is gonna want it.
Who? Christina?
Yeah.
She's not gonna want it.
Well, hell, she works at McDonald's. She can get those damn pies anytime, but
Lately she's been getting the pumpkin pie.
the pumpkin pie don't taste like pumpkin. It tastes like the apple. It tastes just like, well, the last pumpkin pie I had, it was hollow. You could see a little smear of pumpkin on the inside of it, but there was no really pumpkin.
The one, my last one I had, it had like goop. It was like pumpkin pie filling in there, and it was a pumpkin, but it wasn't like a strong pumpkin like you get like in a slice of pie. But it's a very mild pumpkin.
Damn, the sandwich is dry. Bread's stale too. I paid $18 for this shit. Here, you read off what all we got.
2 McDoubles, extra onions, this is before tax, which was $3.58. A medium fry, $2.19. 1 large Diet Coke, $1. 3 sausage McMuffins, $3. A large Diet Dr. Pepper, $1. 3 sausage McMuffins, $3. 1 large Dr. Pepper, $1. 1 apple pie, which is basically 2 apple pies because I have a deal on them, for $1.39. An apple pie by itself is $1.89. Sorry, it's 89 cents. Subtotal $17.05. Tax $1.41. Total is $18.46.
That's a lot of money for just stupid fucked up McDonald's. Hey, you guys want to see a birdie mukbang? If they're around, where's all the birds?
They're not coming out today.
Usually, there's a bunch of seagulls out, and you throw food out. I'm gonna throw a throw a French fry out, because that might start a feeding frenzy. Seems like they come around. Oh, there's one on top of the pole, a seagull. Here, throw these out on the ground. There we go. birdie mukbang. Anyway, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I ate my ratchet McDonald's and now I'm full. Probably on the verge of a stomachache, so now I have to go home and vacuum and mop. And then sit my fat ass in my chair and rest and count my money up to find out what I can do to go shopping later to buy food for the house and supplies. Look there's a crow. Caw, caw. Oh, look at the little tiny brown birds. I don't know why we have seagulls here. There was seagulls in the last pick, right? Yeah. I don't know why we have seagulls. We're in the damn desert. I don't know. We have Canadian geese here too. Alright, I will catch you gangsters next mukbang if you decide to come back. Later, gang!